In this video, we're going to start playing with the values of a to see what happens to the parabola. We're going to start out plotting y equals 2x squared. Our basic parabola has an a of 1, and so this will be an example of what happens when a is greater than 1. As before, we're going to start out with a table, and I'm going to make it extended because we're going to plot I'm going to make it extended because we're going to be comparing the resulting parabola with our original basic parabola. In our original basic parabola, we always started out with 0. 0 is a really nice number to do. In our original parabola, y was 0. In this parabola, we're going to be multiplying 0 by 2. It'll still be 0. So we still have the origin in this parabola. If x is equal to 1 in our original parabola, let me just put these in parentheses. So these are values for y when y was equal to x squared. Y would have been equal to 1, but in this new parabola, y will be equal to 2. In our first we did the point x equals 2, which gave us in the original parabola a y value equal to 4, but now that will be multiplied by 2 and give us a value of 8. That's really all I'll be able to show on the graph. So let's go back and look at it. You probably recognize all of this. Well, now on the original one we plotted 0.11, but now we need to plot 0.12. And we plotted the 0.14, so let's say that's 4, so 0.24, so actually 0.28 is going to be quite out of the range of this screen. And so you begin to see that what happens when a is greater than 1 is that the parabola is squeezed closer to the y-axis. It still has all of the other characteristics of the original parabola. It still opens upward because a is greater than 0. The origin is still the vertex. The parabola is symmetric around the y-axis. Well, is it really? Let's go see. In our table, to see symmetry, we just want to put a value of -1 in for x. We'll get a value of 1 for x squared and a value of 2 for 2x squared. If we put in a value of -2 for x, we're going to get a value of 4 for x squared and a value of 8 for 2x squared. And so, indeed, we will see that the parabola is in fact symmetric with respect to the y-axis, and when you compare it with the original basic parabola, this parabola is squeezed closer to the y-axis. So as a is larger, the parabola is squeezed closer to the y-axis. Now I would like to challenge you to prove that to yourself further by plotting y equals 3x squared. See what will happen on your lovely graph paper when you plot y equals 3x squared. And I'll see you in the next video.